Hey guys, I'm back. So I know I said that I wasn't gonna do these types of videos anymore, but I changed my mind. I'm an adult, I can do whatever I want anyways. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Sean. In my last video, I said that my next video would be my Nike haul, and don't be fooled by this is an old tank top. I've literally been waiting on doing any other video until I got all my things to come in, right? But you know, with shipping the way that it is right now, literally I have like 3 packages that I ordered in the beginning of June, or maybe like the end of May, beginning of June. They're just still not here yet. So I just kind of gave up, but I did get my Sephora package. So I wasn't planning on doing more of these. I don't know, it wasn't really like, it's not that I was against it, but you know what? I don't have to explain myself to anyone. I'm just here today to show you guys some cool new makeup I got, as you can see in the title. And yeah, this isn't gonna be like a full-blown get ready with me. I'm just gonna show you guys the new stuff I got. But I do promise that my next video, like literally my very next video, is gonna be kind of like, okay, so originally I was gonna separate it into like an athletic clothes haul and like a regular like casual slash, I don't know, other clothes haul. But now, since I only have like half my orders of both types of clothes that I ordered, I'm just gonna do kind of like a collective, I'm just gonna do kind of like a little collective haul. That's gonna be the next video. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe down below, and let's just jump into this. Heads up, I am gonna skip around steps that if I have nothing new to show you guys really, I'm just gonna, you know, jump to the next one. But we are starting with something brand new. Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer in the shade 2W. I've loved the Dior Foundation, which I got another one of in my summer color 3N, that we will also be using today. Disclaimer, I did try a lot of these products already, like one time, but whatever. Now I'm trying them on with you guys. So okay, the first time I put this on, I'm not gonna lie, I realized I put way too much on, so I'm gonna go in way lighter this time. I'm just gonna, wait, let me zoom in. It's a little bit heavier than other concealers. I don't know, I'm still getting used to this one. The first time I put it on, I thought it was too thick because I put too much. Now I put like a lot less and it's a lot better, but it's not like, still not doing everything, but it's fine. Do about 4 pumps. I know my sponge is bad, don't judge me. Yeah, it could always be dirtier. Yeah, the concealer is not too bad in conjunction with the foundation. Okay, I don't know why I zoom in if I'm just gonna back up. Let me zoom out real quick. Okay, yeah. See, in conjunction with the foundation, the concealer is not too bad. But like standalone, it still kind of settles into creases. See there? I don't like that. It's okay though, I guess. Maybe I'm just too nitpicky. I don't know. Whatever. How many angles am I gonna change in this video? I don't know. What do we think of my hair right now, guys? The pink is kind of fading out. Should we do pink again? Like this video if we should do a little bit more pink before the summer ends. Okay, the foundation and the concealer together are a pretty bomb combo. I'm not gonna lie. Looks really good. I just look, I feel healthy. I like it. Powder. Okay, I'm trying to go light on powder, so I'm gonna keep just using this one that I got. See, actually, it low-key is still kind of sticky. Much better. Contour O'Clock Pokey Matte Bronzer shade Sunlit Peach. All right, that's enough of the old. On to the fresh and new. I just picked up this new fresh vitamin nectar. Set the face real quick, all the powders down. I really like the smell. I love the feel. I feel so juicy. It is so beautiful. It has all sorts of fruits and shit in it, so I feel like healthy. It's like the facade of health, but either way, like, I don't know, I believe it, so like it works. I don't know if you guys remember from my last video, but I mentioned I had this favorite Dior highlighting palette, right? This one, my beloved, loved to literal death. Well, I just got a ta-da, brand new one. It's not the same one, it's different colors, different. I'll insert some swatches here for you guys. I wanted to try the peach one first and then put the gold one over it. I don't know. Ooh, I did not. I'm gonna lie, I thought that the shimmer ones were gonna be more of a sheen, but they're just as blinding. They're just not glittery. I already know I'm gonna use this one to death too. This one's gonna suffer the same fate the other one did. I love this way too much. So much. Love it so much. I haven't even tried the bronze shade, and that's usually my favorite one, so oh my god, I love this. I'm just, wow, I'm so amazed. I love my skin right now. Like, I haven't even gotten to the eyes yet, and that's like the best. I'm gonna insert swatches right now, and oh my god, y'all, so beautiful, so beautiful. I played with this once already. I'm gonna insert swatches right now. Okay, I already told you guys I don't really like doing eyeshadows, but I feel like this palette is like perfect for people, like, because I still like color, I still like eyeshadow, I still like the idea of like shadows and colors and glitters on my eye, but I don't like to like fuss with it, right? So you don't like to fuss with it, this right here, it's so easy, it takes like no time, just watch. Okay, at first I thought these pan sizes were kind of small, right? But you need so little, the pigment is so good. I barely even tried. And just, such a good just dispersal of color. Like if I stopped right there, that's what I'd normally do, right? Like already a good start, right? I'm going in with Bliss. I love, it really gives me rose petal, and I live for that. Like, the shift in it feels very special. Like it's the special color in the palette. It's like a good size mirror too, and I like this. I like this mirror a lot. It's nice and heavy. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. I just went in with a completely different color on the other. Well, I went in with the one next to it, so I was gonna do that anyways. I'm just gonna mix the two of them together on both the eyes and be right back. Well, see, Palladium's a good color because it's like a good foiled color, but I want the Bliss one over it for sure. Now that is something special. Take a small brush and go into Ridge and just do that under the waterline. I just feel so pretty. Like, I feel pretty. I love it. I'll definitely be using this way more. I love it. I already love it so much. Throw on my brows and eyeliner real quick, and I'll be back for the next part. Okay, now before I do mascara, so I got magnetic eyeliner finally. I've been dying to try it, and I got the Ardell magnetic gel liner, and I have a pair of lashes. I've tried it once, so this is gonna be my reuse. So this time I'm not gonna care if I got mascara over or anything because I ordered a bunch more because now I'm obsessed. Let me show you. So basically, you get the magnetic liner, and I already drew my eyeliner to make my own life easier, and I'm just gonna draw a line over it where I want the magnet to stick. Really close to the lash line. They want it to dry, but mine's already kind of drying out. I kind of like the concept though of like darkening up your eyeliner twice and then putting on lashes, instead of like, for me usually it goes like liner, lashes, liner again to cover up the gluey mess. Boom. Just on so quick. That was so easy. I didn't even try. I didn't even do anything. It just did it by itself. Just boom. It's not acting right. Just push it back up. Like, they just find where to go. I think that's the best part, is like you can't stick it in the wrong spot because it can only stick where you're letting it stick. You feel me? Feels so cute. Okay, I'm still gonna put mascara on this time, and I'm gonna actually be hella extra with it. I'm gonna go in with the mascara primer, this CoverGirl one. I just want lashes today, okay? I'm just gonna do it over all of them. So lightly though. So lightly. Super lightly. Oh, with L'Oreal. Lightly cover them. One more. Is it chunky? Yes. Do I care? No. Actually, just kidding. I kind of care. You guys think that's enough? Alright, last step is the lip. Just going with the LA Girls Sugar and Spice lip liner real quick. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline lipstick in Rose Embrace. Natural retro vibes. I know. But we're not done. And lastly, finish it off some Dior lip gloss, and can't read, the sticker's too glittery. Too glam to read. I'm gonna spray this down one more time. Ta-da! This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Product reviews. Okay, this is a new holy grail. This is a new holy grail. These two it products for me right now. I love these. I love the lashes. Concealer, I'm still iffy about. It still feels a little cakey, but it doesn't look bad after everything's said and done. I'll get back to you guys on the concealer. Foundation, love it as always. Everything else, love. I don't know, I feel really good. And now I'm about to go hang out with some of my best friends, and I like feel pretty. If you guys enjoyed getting ready with me, I may or may not do more. Stay tuned and find out. But if you guys like these types of videos, if you like my content, if you like hanging out with me, make sure you subscribe down below. I will be posting another video very, 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 very soon. Next video, I promise, is gonna be the try on haul. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope the rest of your day is beautiful, and bye.